Yes.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my might.
Today I pledge with all my might.
I shall achieve you my potential insight.
I shall achieve you my potential insight. Good morning, everyone. Okay, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prajesh. Good morning, Devkrish. Good morning, Neha. Good morning, Satvika.
Have a great day.
Thank you, Prajesh. You have fabulous, fantastic day, Prajesh. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, who else has joined? Nukshita, did you hear me? Good morning, Nukshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Let's start the warm up. Ready? Okay, let me call. Nukshita, will you count, Nukshita? From 10. 10.
Yes, ma'am.
10.
10,
9.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody ready? I still see some of them sitting.
Stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Parnas. Good morning, Parnas.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vivan.
Good morning, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Irene. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Good morning, Dikshan. Good morning, Tejas. Very good. Good. Tejas, you come in uniform today. You wearing the uniform? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
I am in uniform.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aiden.
Good morning, Radha, ma'am.
Good morning, Kaviyarini. As I always say, Children, on Monday and Wednesday, please try to come in uniform. Okay? Kavyani, Neha, Prajesh. Next time. Okay, Sailesh. Please try to come in uniform on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, Kavyani? Yes? Okay.
I still haven't got my uniform and come alongside.
Oh, you haven't got uniform. Okay, then that's fine. If you have, once you get it, you start wearing it, Sailesh, on Monday and Wednesday. Okay?
Yeah, got uniform.
They haven't got it.
No.
No.
No. Okay, once you get it, you can start wearing it. Neha. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, children, you know, on today is Sunday or Monday?
Monday.
Monday. And
Monday.
yesterday was our friend. Yesterday was our friend Rohita's birthday. She didn't come last week, so we were not able to wish her. Shall we all wish her happy birthday and sing the birthday song for her? Ready?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Give me a second.
Ma'am? Happy birthday, Rohita.
Give me a second.
Happy birthday, Rohita.
Happy birthday, Rohita.
Happy birthday, Rohita.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Please, enough. Please, everybody say out.
One minute, ma'am. One second, ma'am. One second, ma'am. Okay.
Who is that ma'am? I don't hear. Who is that?
Kavyani, ma'am.
Tell me, Kavyani.
Ma'am, Saturday we called, ma'am. They told like still her size is not available, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Full uniform.
For the instruction was given to only those who have got the uniform and not wearing it. Those who have not
Okay.
got it, that's fine. If you have got the uniform and you have not started wearing it, then you can start using it, wearing it on Monday and Wednesday. That was the instruction. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Rohita, did you see the picture, Rohita? Happy birthday, Rohita.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome, Rohita. So, first we are done with the warm-up. We'll start with attendance. Ready, everyone? Yes. And thank you all for your wonderful wishes on behalf of Rohita. Okay. So, Aiden.
Here I am. Yo.
Okay. Devarakshita.
Master's absent today.
Yeah. Devkrish.
Here I am, ma'am. Roll pali, up. Roll pali, down. Roll pali, left. Roll pali, right. Roll pali, up.
Okay. Danvir.
Here I am, Raga, ma'am. Hooray!
Hooray. Dikshan.
Here I am, ma'am. Roll pali, up. Roll pali, down.
Okay. Good. Dhruv.
Yeah.
Okay. Farnas.
Here I am, Dada, ma'am. Roll pali, up.
Farnas, I think this is the first time I see you in uniform. Good, Farnas. Ashini.
Ma'am, she's
Here I roll pali, up. Here I roll pali, down. Here I roll pali, left. Here I roll pali, here I roll pali, straight.
Thank you, Ashini. Yes, Farnas. Tell me. Iron. Iron.
Present, ma'am.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Janavi.
Present.
Janavi.
Here I am. Yo-yo, ma'am.
Okay. Karthikeyan.
Here I am. Rolly, poly, up.
Good morning, Karthikeyan. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Kaviyarini. Kaviyarini. Naitik. Naitik. Neha.
How's the lesson today? Yeah, yeah.
Neha is present today. Nitila.
No, ma'am. Good night.
Oh, for Naitik you said. Okay.
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly, poly, up.
Good, Nitila. Nukshita.
Ma'am, today.
Good,
Here I
Nukshita.
am.
Rajesh.
Here I am. Rolly, poly, up. Here I am. Rolly, poly, down. Here I am. Rolly, poly, today. I like this song.
Okay. Pranita. Pranita. Rohita.
Rohita.
Here I am. Rolly, poly, up.
Okay, Rohita. Satvika.
Here I am. Rolly, poly, up. Here I am. Rolly, poly, up. Here I am. Rolly, poly, up. Here I am. Rolly, poly, up.
Okay. Sailesh.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Siddharth.
Yeah, here I am, yo.
Tejas.
Yes.
Here I am. Roly poly. Wow, very good. Good, wonderful. Tarnika.
Here I am, rolly poly, yeah.
Good, Tarnika. Vihan.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Vishank.
Here I am, ma'am. You are the best, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishank. Vivan.
Here I am. Also, that's the day, and I want your song.
Okay. The mouse is present today. Zaidi.
Yeah, rolly poly, happy birthday, Ohida.
Very good. That's a nice attempt, Zaidi. Very good. Okay. So, can we all put our hands together, clap for our friend? Danvin is going to do a top 10 today on shapes. Okay? Can we all clap? Give a big round of clap for Danvin. Okay. Danvin, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Danisa. I am going to talk about shapes. What is shapes? It is form of object. Circle. Circle has no size. Example, bangle. Square. Square has 4 sides or are equal. Example, bread. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides. 2 long sides, 2 small sides. Example, mobile. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Example, hanger. Oval. No size for oval. Example, egg. Semicircle. Circle cut into 2. Example, rainbow. Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Example, envelope. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Example, steel bolt. Sphere. All sides are circle. Example, ball. Cube. all sides a square. Example, cuboid. Cuboid. All sides a rectangle. Example, matchbox. Thank you, everyone.
Wow, Danvin! Fantastic! Fantastic, Danvin! Wow. No words to say. Fantastic, Danvin. Like you said,
Very good, Dhanvi.
yes, you started with what is a shape. Very nice. I'm just stunned. Senior KG kid talking about what is a shape and all the shapes from 2D till 3D. You just went very nice, Danvin. Very nice. And real-time objects. The bolt net, I never expected you will bring a bolt net for hexagon. Very nice, Danvin. And the rainbow was very nice. Can you show the rainbow one more time? Can you show the rainbow to all of us one more time? Very nice, Danvin. Fantastic. Very, very good, Danvin. Can we give a big rocket for our friend Danvin? Good, Danvin. Very good. Yes, your excuse. Tell me. Tell me, Jahnavi.
Example for hexagon.
You want to see what he showed for the example of hexagon? Danvin, can you show that bolt net closer to the camera? She didn't see that it's an hexagon. That's like a screw nut, Jahnavi. It will look like hexagon.
Yes.
Very good, Danvin. You said all the shapes. You explained them with examples, and you explained about the corners. How many corners for each shape, and what you said. You should know all the objects. Very good, Danvin. Very good. Without any help, without any guidance. Very good. It was just like a super jet train started and ended with 3D shapes. Good. Very well done. You set an example or trademark how a talk shape should be. Very good, Danvin. Okay, now let's get started with the rhyme time. Who helped you, Danvin? Your mom? Who helped you, Danvin?
Mummy.
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 Mummy, very nicely she has taught you. I want to show you something. Okay, let's get started. I'll show you later. Come on, let's sing the rhyme. I like my pencil. Everyone together. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. No unmuting. No unmuting. I didn't ask you to unmute, Jahnavi. Others also should sing with me, right? So I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. One more time, we are going to sing very fast. Okay, Satika, are you singing? Rohita, I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Okay, next we are going to sing the honeybee rhyme. Ready, everyone? If you all have your rhyme book, you can have it open when you will read it so that you can have your fingers on each words. Okay, let's get into a practice. When we were in term 1, I asked you to bring rhymes book. You all remember? If you have the rhymes book today, have it with you. If not, try bringing it from tomorrow. Okay, ready? What is the sound honeybee makes? Bzzz. Yes. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then you do your little child. One more time. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Very slowly. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then you do your little jive. Okay. So rhyme time done. Let's do a quick recap of what did we learn in the last class. Okay. Spinning the wheel if we have time towards the end. Okay. So quick recap. Can anybody?
Ma'am, I see frog, ma'am.
You saw a frog.
Yes.
Where?
Night is hot.
You saw a frog at night. How did the frog jump? Did it jump? It jumped like that? Okay, Jahnavi.
फ्रॉक जंप करता है
Ma'am, इसमें I saw
करता है
froglet.
You saw rocket.
Froglet.
Froglet. You saw froglet. Okay. Tejas, kindly request you to put your mics on mute, please. Tejas, can you please mute?
In my house, ma'am.
You saw froglet in your house, Sadie? Okay. Good. Tejas, can you please put your mic on mute? Uma ma'am, can you please mute them? I hear a background sound, buzzing sound back. Tejas, sir, can you please put your mics on mute, sir? Thank you. Okay, quick recap. So we learned about extinct animals and endangered animals. Okay, we learned about extinct animals and endangered animals. Okay, so Satvika, can you say some extinct animals, Satvika?
Dinosaur.
Very good, dinosaur, and then
Mammoth.
mammoth. Okay, Rohita. Rohita is not eager in answering. Okay. See, you have all got an imaginary kit with your kit which you got from school. In that imaginary kit, you have puzzles there. Okay, like 3D puzzles. If you solve that, you will get dinosaur, mammoth, and dodo. Okay, just check if what you're having in that imaginary kit. You can try doing that whenever you're free. Open the imaginary kit. You will have puzzles there. The drawing sheets and the coloring one, we will do it in the class. Okay, the other one I'm talking about the puzzle kind of. It's like a 3D puzzle. You will have dodo in that. I'm not sure about the other two, but I'm sure you will have the dodo there. So when you find time on Saturday, Sundays, you can open the imaginary kit. Try doing that puzzle. Are you all following me what I'm talking? In the school, they would have given you an imaginary kit. In that kit, you will have the bird dodo. Okay, so dodo is an extinct animal, dinosaur, mammoth. Vihan, can you tell me extinct animals, Vihan?
Dinosaur. Dinosaur, mammoth, dodo.
Very good. Dinosaur, mammoth, dodo. Okay. Endangered animals. Endangered animals. Harshini.
Lion, tiger, and elephant.
Okay. Karthikeyan. Endangered animals.
Lion, tiger, elephant.
Something else.
No, ma'am.
No, you don't remember. Okay. Neha. Endangered animals.
Lion, tiger, elephant, lion, correct. Excuse me, ma'am. Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. Okay, then that's it. Okay, good, Neha. Nukshita. Endangered animals.
Yes, ma'am.
Endangered animals. Remember, Nukshita, endangered animals?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Endangered animals. What are endangered animals? You know?
Mammoth.
That is extinct animals. Remember this, Nukshita. Dodo, mammoth, dinosaur are extinct animals. Only Nukshita. Others, why are you unmuting? Please, others, other than Nukshita, please, others don't unmute. Okay, Nukshita. Read out the endangered animals here, Nukshita.
Dodo, mammoth.
No. Nukshita, listen to my question. See, these are extinct animals. These are all died and we cannot see them in zoo. Okay, so these are all extinct animals. I'm asking endangered animals. The animals which are in danger zone of becoming extinct. What is this?
Rhinoceros.
Yes, rhinoceros. Nukshita, rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Rhino.
Rhinoceros.
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 Okay. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this animal?
Lion, ma'am.
Lion. What is this?
Black lion, ma'am.
Black bear. Okay. Aiden. Aiden Michael.
Yes, tiger.
Tiger. Good. Zedi.
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. So these are endangered animals we saw last week. Okay, so now I'm going to play. We are going to start the class by playing a small story. Okay, for extinct animals, we remember we saw a Rehan story. Rehan was reading a book on extinct animals, and in his dreams, he went to a forest. He saw all the extinct animals like dinosaur, dragon, mammoth, and dodo. Today, we're going to see about endangered animals. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You will not hear the audio. You will not hear the sound. You will just see the picture. I will narrate the story. Okay? Give me a second. Siddharth, what are endangered animals, Siddharth?
Lion, tiger, elephant, rhinoceros.
Okay, then one more. You said everything? Starts with B. Black bear. You said black bear?
Black. Ma'am, last time he was not, last class he is absent, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Siddharth.
Black bear.
Black bear, ma'am.
Okay. So let me play the story for you. We'll see that now. So if you see here, the first one, the story name is The Endangered Tiger. So as I told you, tigers are becoming endangered. Once in a big forest, there was a tiger, father tiger. And what's the baby tiger called as? Anybody? Baby tiger is called as
Cub.
yes. Yes, it's not cub, it is cub. Okay, so baby tiger is called as cub. So once there was a daddy tiger and the baby tiger cub. Okay, they were living in a big. They were living in a forest. One day, what happened? The tiger cub, the baby tiger cub asked his father, Father, I don't have many friends in this forest. I'm all alone. And you also not having many friends. Why is it like that? But when you see giraffe, zebra, they are having many friends. They are all playing. I'm all alone. I don't have friends. And his father said, Cub, once upon a time, there were many animals in this forest. And I had many friends. But you know what happened later? Hunter came and he started hunting all my friends. I ran away from the hunter. I hid myself under a bush or behind the bush. So the hunter didn't find me. Otherwise, the hunter would have hunted me also. So all my friends died because the hunter came and hunted all my friends. That's why I'm not having friends at all. So we are becoming endangered now. And he's telling the story how the hunters came and hunted all the friends of tiger. See in this picture, the hunter is coming. He's bringing a big spear and then he's throwing it on all the tiger. So the daddy tiger saw it. Come on, cub, we will run. I told you, no, there is one more hunter coming today. So daddy tiger and the cub ran fast, and they started hiding themselves from the hunter. And the hunter, you know, today they didn't get, the hunter didn't get them. But however, the hunter got some other tiger, and what is he doing? He's taking the skin of the tiger. And you see bags here, and you see shoes here. He's taking the skin of the tiger, killing the tiger, and he's making bags, he's making shoes, and you see umbrella. Everything is making with the help of tiger skin. So this is the way he's killing all the tigers from the forest. So the cub is asking the father tiger, oh, I'm very afraid now, father. I'm very scared to stay in this forest. Because tomorrow again, the hunter might come and we might get caught by him. So what shall we do? If we stay in this forest, the hunter would come daily and he'll hunt all our friends. So we will not have friends at all. And one day he will hunt us also. So the father says, don't worry, cub, I have found an idea. Don't be afraid. See, the cub is very scared now because the tiger is coming to the forest even today. So the father tiger said, don't worry, cub. We will run and go to a place where there are some good people. The hunter is a bad guy who comes and hunts us. There are also good people who will help us. They are having a big zoo. That's called sanctuary. Sanctuary. Okay. They will give us food. They will keep us safely there in the cage. And also they will have a big forest there where these hunters cannot come. So we can go to that sanctuary and we can stay with other animals now. So the cub and the father tiger, they went to the wildlife sanctuary. If you see here, this sanctuary, there are only good people there. They have all the animals here which are endangered animals like elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, all the animals they are bringing and they are keeping it in the zoo. That's called wildlife sanctuary. So these good people are helping the animals and saving the animals from becoming extinct. So all the endangered animals should not be hunted. They have to be kept in zoo. Even in the wildlife sanctuary, you will have little, not a big forest, but a small forest. You will have a small lake kind of, where the tigers can come out of the cage. They can roam around and play there, stay safe and happy. So when we have to save these endangered animals, we have to keep them in wildlife sanctuary. So the tiger, endangered animals like tiger, lion, black bear, rhinoceros, elephant has to be kept in proper zoo and wildlife sanctuary, and we should save all these animals. Because if we don't save these animals, all the bad people, hunters will come and hunt all these tigers and lion and elephant, and at last there will be no lion, there will be no tiger, there will be no black bear, there will be no rhinoceros and elephant, and they will also become extinct like dinosaur, mammoth and dodo. So we have to save all these animals which are in danger, so that they will also have friends. See, in the zoo, in the forest, the tiger didn't have any friends, but in the wildlife sanctuary, as they are saved, they have got many friends and they are staying there happily now. So the cub is happy now to see many of his friends in the wildlife sanctuary. That's the end of the story. Did you like that story, wildlife sanctuary story?
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now we are going to, first we are going to write cursive. Come on, can you all, cursive words. So can you all please take out your slates? Please take out your slates. We are going to write the words of day 65. Please take out your slates. We are going to write the first word, dry. D-R-Y, dry. Let me take my slates. I am ready. Are you all ready? First one, D-R-Y. How do you write D? Curved slanting line. C curve. Close the C. Go up, touch the red line. Trace in the same line, come down. D. Then go extend the line, touch the blue line. Good, Parnas. R. Small loop slipping line, R. Hashini, you are going to write R and then write Y. R and then Y. Write R completely and then write Y. I am writing the words of day 65. SR D65 LT worksheet. D-R-Y. When you write, say, very good, Dhanvin. D-R-Y. Say that, Andre. D-R-Y. Dry. Yeah, now it's good, Hashini. Dhanvin, this big butterfly is for you, Dhanvin. Very nice. And what color star you want, Dhanvin? What color star you want?
Orange.
Orange. Let me try getting it.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Good, Dhanvin. Yeah, yes. Good, Rohita. I can see Dikshan, Aiden, Kaviyani. Good, Kaviyani. Nitila. Good. Okay. Come on, let's write for next letter, next word fast, fast. Egg. Egg. Slanting line. C curve. E. Extend the E, touch the blue line. C curve again. Come down. Again C curve. G. E, G, G. Egg. Good. Good, Hashni. E, G, G. Egg. G should touch the red line. Okay? The bottom one. Janavi, are you writing? Neha, Zaidi, Dikshan?
Janvi is interested.
Janavi?
She is in restroom now.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, Sailesh. Sailesh, when you write, no, just make sure the YU part no touches both the lines properly. Okay. Good. Yes, Vivan. Good, Vivan. Dry egg. Okay. Yes, Dikshan. Yes, Kavyani. Good, Kavyani. Nitila. Good, Nitila.
I'm silent,
Good,
ma'am.
Vihan. Yan. Yes. Yes, Sailesh. The dry. You have written dry 2 times. Okay. Just make sure the U is within the blue line like this, Sailesh. Touches the blue line and doesn't come out and then what? Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Satvika. Good, Satvika. Yes, Dhanvan, JD, Dev, Krish. Those names I'm calling out, you can keep it down. I am seeing you. Rajesh.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Good, Rohita. Yeah, Vihan. Good, Vihan. Prajesh, did you write Prajesh? Vishank?
Ma'am, look, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm looking. Show me.
Please look, ma'am.
Looking into it. Just bring it closer. Okay, now. Yeah. Why? Write Y. Why? Write Y. And then write egg. Prajesh. After write Y, after you write Y, start writing egg. EGG, egg. Vishank, are you writing? Iron?
Ma'am, Vishang has been to the restroom, ma'am.
Okay. Nukshita? Next word, eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. When you write, say it and write E-A-T. Eat. Yes, Hashni. Eat. So last week we learned no SH. When you have S and H together. Yes, Dhanvan. What is the sound? Kavyani, when we have S and H together, what is the sound? Very good. Likewise.
Silent.
Yeah, Sailesh. Yes. Good, Kavyani. So when today what we're going to, yes, Siddharth. Today what we're going to learn, when you have E and A together, it's E sound. When you have E and A together, it makes E sound. Okay, as in eat, as in leaf.
Long E sound.
When you have E-A together, it makes E sound. Okay, E. When you have E and A together, it makes E sound. We are not saying it as A. No. So when you have E and A together, it makes E sound as in leaf, as in eat. Yes, long sound. Somebody said, I think Siddharth. Good, Siddharth. So when you have E and A together, so yes, Sadie, keep your slates down, everyone. If you have anything which is not correct, just show me and ask me. Okay. So when you have E and A together, it makes E sound. Prajesh, did you write egg? Yes, Satvika. Good. Leaf. You wrote leaf also. Okay, Satvika. Okay, next word we're going to write is fly. Fly. F L. First write F, touch the red line. Yes. L, touch the red line. And then Y. Fly. F L Y. Say the letters and write F L Y. Come on, Janavi. What have you written so far, Janavi? Have you written dry? Have you written egg? Show me, show me. Let me pin you. Dry. D is good. R is good. Y alone, Janavi. Janavi, correct the Y part alone. You put it அப்படியே one போடு. Touch the blue line, write U. Touch the blue line, write U, and then write Y. Next word, for. For. F. Extend this line and then mark C. Then write O. First write F, extend the line and then write C curve and then write O. Extend the O and then write R. For. Janavi, did you write egg, Janavi? Egg. Come on, write in the rough notebook and show me. Egg. Yes, Dhanvi. Egg. Janavi, come on, write in your notebook, rough notebook. Write in your rough notebook, egg, and show me. If you practice in a notebook once or twice, then in the worksheet you can write very easily. Very E, egg. Slanting line, C curve, egg. Yes, Nitila.
Mommy.
Good, Nitila. Sailesh, I saw that Sailesh.
Ma'am, show me.
Yes, Tarnika. Good, Tarnika. Vihan, did you write Vihan?
Ma'am, please show me.
Slanting line, E. Then C curve, G.
Ma'am, Siddharth.
Good, Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rohita. Good, Rohita. You've written leaf also, fly. Very good, Rohita. Janavi, you need any help, Janavi? Yes, no. Yes. Janavi, first within the blue line, slanting line, and then C curve. Yes, Sailesh, F alone, little closer, Sailesh. Little closer, okay? The first one looks good. Good, Kavyayani. Those who have finished writing, we are going to write the next word. Get. G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. Did you write Janavi E?
No.
No, come on, write E. Neha, did you write Neha? Karthikeyan. I can't see Neha. Neha, okay, Neha is there. Neha, did you write? Karthikeyan, you're writing. Egg. What is the next one?
Eat.
Did you write fly? Write fly and show me, Neha. Come on. Fly. Karthikeyan, did you write Karthikeyan? Good. Come on, write fly. Very good, Karthikeyan. Janavi. Shall I move on to the next word, Janavi? E. Extend the E and write C curve. Very good, Rohita. G-E-T, get. Yes, please don't unmute. Please don't unmute. Then everybody will start unmuting. G-E-T, get. Done, everyone get. Then we'll move to the next word, gym. 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 G-Y-M, gym. C curve. G. Extend the line, write Y. Then go back, touch the line, write 1, 2 mountains, and then M. Gym. G-Y-M. Gym. Good, Tarnika. Yes, Ashni. G-Y-M. Gym. Next word. Has. H-A-S. Has. H, we should touch the red line. Slanting line. Touch the red line. 1 mountain. H. What Kavyani are showing me? What word is that? G-Y-M. M. Gym. M. M. Erase the I and write M. H-A-S. A. And then S. H. Yes, Kavyani, correct. It's little bit up. It's like above the camera. Okay. M. Please make sure you touch the blue line, Kavyani. M. Both the blue lines. H-A-S. Has. H-A-S. Has. Vishang, did you write Vishang? Good, Rohita. H-A-S. Okay, where are you? You're writing fly. Come on, write gym. Gym, gym. G-Y-M, gym. Rohita, very good, Rohita. I saw yours. Get, gym, has. Yes, Tanvin, I saw. Egg, get, gym, has. Siddharth, yes. After has, we are going to write him. H-I-M, him. Neha, show me. Finished? Slowly, slowly. Neha, the head should be straight. Okay, just correct that alone, Neha. Neha, slanting line. Give me a minute, Prajesh. Slanting line. Backward bend, write 1, Neha. You are writing slanting line. That's why it is going big. Write 1. Then write H. Okay? Yes, Prajesh. Okay, I can see egg. A-R. Okay. Gym. Gym, did you write gym? G-Y-M. Gym. Iron, are you writing iron?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nukshita?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay. Nukshita, it's blurred here. I can't see that, Nukshita. Yeah, Siddharth, I saw you finished. Okay. Last word. Her. H-E-R. Her. Siddharth finished till her, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I saw that. Okay. H-E-R. H-E-R. Her. It's her book, her pen. H-E-R. Done, everyone? Finished?
Done, Yes, ma'am.
Janavi finished? Show me. Give me a second.
Eat,
Eat. Okay, eat, egg. Okay.
try. Yes, ma'am. 3 words.
Good try, Janavi. Good try.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, everybody keep your slates down. We are going to do an activity. Please keep everybody's slates down. Okay. Can you all see my screen? What I'm showing you? Can you all see the slate? I mean, the board I'm showing you. You have numbers here. Can you read out the numbers? Is it blurred or is it clear? Clear?
Clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, let me make it a little dark if it's blurred for somebody. Okay, so today we are going to learn number line. We are going to write number line. So I have written numbers in a line, right? That's why this is called number line. Do you see a line there? Red color line. I have written numbers here. So this is called number line. Okay. So can you tell me where is the fish? Okay, I'll tell you. This is the fish. This is a starfish, and this we can have it as shell. Okay, fish, shell, starfish. Now I'll ask you the number. You're going to tell me where is the water animals. Okay, what are creatures? Okay, let me ask. Siddharth, where is starfish?
8.
8. Okay, Vishak, where is the fish?
Where is the fish? எந்த நம்பருக்கு நேரா fish?
3.
3. Okay. Karthikeyan, where is the shell? Red color shell.
6, ma'am.
6. Nukshita, where is the starfish? Nukshita, where is the starfish?
4.
Huh?
4.
4.
Star, ma.
1, ma'am.
1. Aiden, where is the red color shell? Aiden, where is the red color shell? Aiden is not there. Zadie, where is the fish?
7.
7. Sailesh, where is the number? Where is the starfish?
3.
3. Okay. Farnas, where is the fish? 5. Neha, where is the starfish? Where's the starfish?
No number.
3.
3. Okay. Irene, where is the fish?
5.
5.
சொல்லு சரியா சொல்லு.
5, ma'am.
Where is the starfish, Irene? Where is the starfish?
This one.
What is the number there?
3.
3. Very good. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make these jump one step forward. Okay. Let me ask Vivan.
Yay!
Vivan, where is the starfish now?
Number 3.
Number 3. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step. Okay, I'm asking the starfish to jump one step. So where will the starfish go?
2.
The starfish is number 3. I'm asking it to jump one step, one number after. So what is that?
4.
Starfish, go to 4. Starfish has come to 4. Okay. Now, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Jump the starfish.
4.
4. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step. So, starfish, jump one step. So, where will the starfish go?
1 step.
So, where it will go?
1. 5.
5. Okay. Nitila,
Ma'am.
where is the starfish?
Hey, ma'am.
5. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step forward. So where will the starfish go? Louder.
Louder.
Sattama, sir.
சொல்லு சத்தமா 6 சொல்லு
6.
6. Okay. Diction.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
Starfish sits.
So I'm asking the starfish to jump one step forward. So where will the starfish go? One step forward.
8. 7.
7. Okay. Dhruv. Where is the starfish?
कौन सा नंबर है ये
2.
2. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step forward. So where will the starfish go?
देखो
One step forward. So where will the starfish go? From 2 to
2.
नहीं
2 to.
जंप
I'm
करो
asking to jump one step forward. One step
नंबर लिखा
forward.
है
3.
3.
4.
Okay. 3. 3. Okay, so tomorrow for an activity, I want you to write some number in your, on your floor in your house. Okay, any 2 numbers, 3 numbers, any 3 numbers. Okay, when I say forward, you want to go to that number. When I say backward, you want to go to the back, like the fish, like the starfish. Okay, Prajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
3.
3. I'm asking the starfish to go one step forward. So where will the starfish go?
4.
4. Wonderful. Okay. Vihan. Where's the starfish?
4, ma'am.
I'm asking it to go one step forward. One step forward. So where will the starfish go?
Forward.
One step forward. So where will the starfish go?
5 kalutadi.
Yes. It will go to
ఇప్పుడు 5 the 5 6.
5. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
5.
I'm asking the starfish to go one step backwards. So where will the starfish go?
4.
4. Very good. Hashimi.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
4.
I'm asking the starfish to go one step backwards. So where will the starfish go?
And 3.
3. Very good. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
3.
3. I'm asking the starfish to go one step forward. Forward. Minnadi. One step forward. So where will the starfish go?
4.
4. Ready, where is the starfish?
F for you are 4.
Yes. For your 4.
4.
I'm asking the starfish to go one step forward. Where it will go?
4.
One step forward.
5.
5. Kaviyayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
5.
I'm asking it to go one step forward. So where it will go? One step forward. Where it will go?
4. Forward to 6.
6. Very good. It will go like this to 6. Okay. Yes, Rohita. Rohita. Aiden or Rohita, anybody? I can't hear from them. Diksha.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
Rohita, listen to my question, Rohita. Where is a starfish?
star.
7, 8, 6.
6. I'm asking the starfish to jump one step forward. One step forward. So where did it go? Going. Where did it go?
1 step,
One step. Where did it go?
6, 7.
From 6 did it go to
7.
7. Good. Diksha.
Say the number.
Where is the starfish? I'm asking to go one step forward. Where it will go?
1 step 5.
5. Good. Rajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
5.
I'm asking you to go one step backward. Where did it go? One step backward. Back, one step back.
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Sailesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the fish?
5.
I'm asking you to move one step forward. Where it will go?
6.
6. Aiden. Aiden.
Yes.
Where is the star? Where is the fish?
6.
I'm asking you to move one step forward. Where did it go? One step forward.
ഫോർവേഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിലേക്ക് പോവാം
4.
മുൻപിലേക്ക് ആ 6 മുന്നിലേക്ക് പോയാൽ ഏത് നമ്പർ
മുന്നിലോട്ട് പോകാനോ
6 അടുത്ത നമ്പർ
7.
7. Okay. Okay, so now can we all take out our worksheet? SRD 66 empty worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Day 66 empty worksheet. Tejas?
Hello. Both pages.
Can you see the fish, Tejas?
Fish.
Is Hey.
Which number is the fish? Where is the fish?
Number.
ये नंबर क्या है?
6. बोलो.
Okay, where is the fish now? Very good. Tejas, where is the fish now?
नहीं कहाँ पर है?
मैं वो सीवेंशन में
आगे बढ़.
66.
आगे बढ़. 3.
Where is the 3? Very good, Tejas. Okay, this is the worksheet, Rohita. You're just going to color the numbers and the frog. This is the number line. Please write your name and write today's date. Can somebody help me with the date today?
04.
What is the date today?
04.
Very good. October. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Nukshita. Very good. October 4. 4.
9.
Nukshita, and what is today? Sunday or Monday?
Monday.
Monday, sure. I thought it is Sunday holiday. No. It's not holiday. Okay, so today is Monday. And today is 4. So what is tomorrow? Today is 4. What is tomorrow?
Today is 4. Tomorrow?
5, ma'am.
5. Yes. And what was yesterday? Let me ask somebody. Kavyayani, today is 4. What is yesterday then? Kavyayani. Today is 4. So what is yesterday?
Today is 4. Yesterday 3.
Very good. Yes. Fantastic. Thank you, Nukshita, Kavyayani, and Siddharth, everyone. Okay. So please write your name and date. If you can, it's just coloring. You can color it later. Okay. Did you all write your name and date 4.10.21 in the worksheet day 66 CT worksheet? Everybody done?
I have done.
66. Done? Good. Good, Tejas. Now we are moving on to day 67 empty worksheet. Can you all take this worksheet? You can color this worksheet, just the frog and the numbers later. Okay. Now please take SR D67 empty worksheet. SR D67 6767 empty worksheet. Please write your name in this worksheet also. Please mark today's date 4.10.21. 4.10.21. Please also take day 67. SR D67. Please take SR D67. Dhanvin, have you taken the sheet? Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Wrote name and date in this 67 worksheet. Day 67. Yes. Okay. Now Dhanvin is going to help me. Dhanvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Do you see the number line? Do you see the number line? This is called number line.
Yes, ma'am.
In a line, the number is written, right? So this is called number line. Can you say number line one time, Dhanvin? Number line.
Number line.
Okay. Can you see the frog? Green color frog.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So where is the frog in the first one? Where is the frog? Which number is the frog? Sitting.
1.
1. So please write number 1 in the box. The frog is sitting in number 1. The frog is sitting in number 1. Yes, please write number 1 inside. Vishank. Thank you, Dhanvin. Vishank, where is the frog sitting in the second question? Where is the frog? Which number? Yeah, please, yeah, please circle 3 and write number 3 in the box. Children, please circle number 3 and write it in the box. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the frog sitting?
6.
6. Very good. Circle 6 and write number 6 in the box. Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the frog sitting? Dhruv.
ये frog कहाँ बैठा है? Number
8.
8. So please circle that and write number 8 in the box.
circle and write.
किसको circle?
अच्छा आप तो लिख दिए सर्किल कर दो. अच्छा
किसको?
8 को सर्किल.
Is it that?
हाँ सर्किल.
You can circle it along with the frog or you can just circle it the number alone.
इसके सिर
Frog के साथ circle करो Dhruv, or else just circle the number. Like this you can do it. Okay, if you want. Or just the number. Done, everyone? Zeli?
ma'am.
Okay. Good, Nukshita. Janavi, done? Vishank? Irene? Sailesh? Farnas?
And ma'am.
Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Okay. Please keep all your worksheets down. I'm going to just show you some pictures and we'll finish the class, okay? I'm going to show you some pictures. You're going to tell me what is that, okay? So first we're going to see about any questions, Dhruv? We're going to see about emotions first. I'll show you some picture, some emojis, okay? The yellow color one. You're going to look at it and tell me whether it is happy face or sad face or angry face looking at that picture. And then we're going to learn about the good touch and bad touch. Okay, so let's get started. Are you all ready? Are you ready? Okay. Yes, we are. Okay. Okay, can you look at the first picture? What is that? Happy or sad? Sad. Okay. What is this next picture? Angry. Okay. I want all of you to answer. Okay, let's do a group activity now. Okay, all of us together. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So the first one was sad face. Second one was thank you, everyone. Please, everyone, put your mics on mute. Thank you, everyone. That is so interactive one. Very good. So the second one was angry face. So when you become sad, when you like something and it's lost, or when it's broken, or when your mother says, I will not get by that something which is not nice, you will have a sad face. Then next one, angry face. Your mom says, no, you're not going to watch TV. Come on, write the worksheet. You will get angry, right? So you'll have an angry face. Can you all show me your angry face? Let me see how angry you are. Angry face. Karthikeyan is smiling. That's an angry face. Zedi twinkling. Winking your eyes. Angry face. Satvika, angry face. That's your angry face, Satvika. Okay. The next one, the one we are going to learn today, embarrassed. When you don't like something that is happening with you and your feelings not okay, then you say embarrassed. Embarrassed. Like you pour water down and you think your mother has given you milk to drink. Let us have your mother has given milk to drink. Okay, but by accidentally you poured all the milk down. So you feel bad. You made a mistake. You feel embarrassed. Okay, okay. Sometimes when you are wearing something which is torn somewhere, it's torn dress, then you will feel embarrassed. You will feel shy about it. You will not feel happy about it. Then it's called embarrassed. Okay, scary. The same instant when you poured your milk, you're scared. You're afraid that your mother or father will come and scold you. Then you are scared, afraid, scared. So the first one we are going to talk about the good things, good touch. Okay, so you're doing something good, and your grandfather, your grandmother, or your uncle and auntie gives a pat on your back. Can you all do a pat on your back like this? This is called pat on your back. They will tap. Very good, super. You're doing well. That is called pat on your back. Okay, Vivan is doing it for the brother. Pat on your back. That's pat on your back. Okay, when somebody this, you are doing a good job. Very good. You do the same. They're touching you, but they're giving a pat on your back, on your shoulder. That is a good touch. Okay, pat on your back. That's a good touch. And it's your birthday. So your mom comes and hugs you and says, happy birthday, dear. So is that a good touch or not? It's a good touch. Your mom comes and hugs you, then it's a good touch. Then you're going for some class, drawing class or music class, and your master or teacher giving you a high five. It's a good touch. You're giving a high five to somebody, it's a good touch. You're going to a park. You're holding your grandfather or grandmother's hands and you're going to the park. That's a good touch. So giving high five, hug from your mother pat on your back, holding hands of your grandfather or father, mother, going to a park, it's all good touch. How we are going to see the bad touch? When somebody touches you and you don't like it, you feel embarrassed, you feel uncomfortable, you don't like it, then those are all bad touch. Okay? When they touch you and you think, no, they are not touching good, you think it is wrong, then it's a bad touch. Okay? When somebody touches you on your chest, between your legs, back, then that's a bad touch. When somebody hits you very hard, you feel like shouting and crying, it's so paining, it's a bad touch. When somebody hits you very hard, when somebody touches you on your chest or between your legs at the back, then those are all bad touch. Okay, so please don't let anyone touch your lips, your chest, between your legs and the buttocks. When somebody touches you like that, what you should do? You should shout, no! What you should shout? No! And then you should run away from the place and go and tell your parents that somebody is touching you like that. You should be afraid first. What you should do, you should not be afraid first. You should shout no and then run away from them. Go to your parents and tell them they're touching you. Okay, so now everything is getting to normal. So when you start going outside, always keep in remember, don't allow strangers to touch you when you don't like it. When somebody touches you and you don't like it, you're going to do, what are you going to do first? No! You're going to shout no! And then you're going to run away and then tell your father or mother they're touching you like that. Okay, should you be afraid? Should you be afraid? No, first and foremost, you should not be afraid. Okay, so that's all we have for class today. Thank you so much. See you back tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay, thank you. Any questions? Stay back, please. Otherwise, thank you and bye-bye. So,
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
I want you to say